Greetings everyone, I'm Darren, the Senior Marketing Manager from Winmate. Welcome to join our event and I'm glad to be here to introduce our latest solution to you. Winmate Intelligent IoT solution helps our customers to provide high quality service and improve factory or other industrial environments. Nowadays, we talk about IoT, Industrial 4.0, digital transformation, and many other terminologies and technologies. You'll start from data acquisition, but the question is, how do we modernize legacy OT equipment with the IT system? It has always been the biggest challenge, especially in real practice. The number of old factories is much more than the new ones. The legacy machine and equipment are most likely being deployed in different periods, not easy to upgrade. The machines are up and running 24/7 for production. There's no way to stop for retrofit. Also, there are no extra budget to add new modernized machine. Currently, many field devices or sensors from OT vendors are only compatible with their own branded systems and the proprietary protocols. So customers cannot integrate the data quickly, even proceed with more business intelligence and save the cost effectively. Besides the data acquisition, one of the most critical things in the field side is data activation. You may need to upload data to the backend server for data analytics, whichever you deploy in a public cloud or private cloud. You even need to push device status or alert message to mobile apps for reminding users. In common condition, when you deploy gateway or HMI devices in the field site, there are too many diversified protocols to communicate. Also, each PLC provider has its drivers, so it takes much time for integration. The more devices you use, the more effort you have to make. However, speeding up time to market and the cost reduction are usually critical in the project. The last challenge we meet is device management. System may function only be staffed by manpower. It's inconvenient and costly. Short man function can cause huge losses, but we can prevent it efficiently. In Winmate IoT structure, it bridges the IT and OT gap to make factory automation easier. In the front end, field devices and the sensor capture and transmit the related data through their own protocol, such as Modbus, OPC UA, or CAN bus. To save time and human cost for customer, our software solution has integrated diversified industrial protocols and 80 to 90% PLC drivers on the market. After gateway system got the data, it can upload useful information to the cloud or web service for SCADA dashboard monitoring, promoting production efficiency, or other business intelligence applications. This case is about smart manufacturing, inclusive of process automation, dashboard management, and predictive maintenance. In the field side, robot CNC AOI packaging will transfer and capture environment status by their own protocols to the HMI, such as Modbus TCP and OPC UA by LAN, Modbus RTU by RS485, respectively. Workers can read information for production and get alerts from HMI devices. However, these front-end devices may make mistakes in extremely low probability. Therefore, we have to integrate edge gateway and related software solution. When the gateway receives the data, it will filter and process the data information fundamentally to make sure there's no severe mistake from the field side. Then the gateway will send trusted and useful data to the cloud for analysis and monitoring. Besides launch the right product to the market, one-stop shopping, strong software support and customization ability are the most critical reason for winning the project. Winmate is focusing on technology innovation, so our R&D team takes up 40% of our company. To speed up time to market, Winmate has 8 different vertical markets. to launch corresponding solution and pass through certification in advance, inclusive of transportation, marine, military, healthcare, oil and gas, and many more. Hopefully you enjoy my talk. If you have any question, please contact me by email or add me on LinkedIn. Bye bye.